Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got a Samsung S6 that has come in for liquid damage. Um, this is really the area that got hit from what I can see. The rest of the board looks pretty clean, um, just like some dust and stuff, but nothing that looks like liquid damage. Um, so, First thing I did was check what it's doing on DC power supply. It looked like I had a VCC main short, so I've soldered a wire directly to VCC main to inject voltage. And I tested in diode mode first, of course, and there is a short. So injecting voltage, and I'm getting 3 amps at 2 volts, which means there's a big short. So just feeling around, I could feel that it was getting hot here. So I'm just going to put some acetone there, and I can see like these guys are getting hot. So let's try some freeze spray. It's not clear which one of those components is getting hottest fastest. So freeze spray ought to highlight. Oh, there it is, that cap. That cap. So this little guy right there looks like he's the culprit. So we'll bust him off. Now take another measurement in diode mode. And now I'm getting just under 0.3, which is about right. So now I can go back over here, take my wire off of main, put it back to battery positive, and see what happens now if it looks like it's booting up. Go ahead and prompt to boot. And yeah, I've got fluctuating current from about 180 milliamps up to about 500 milliamps, which is pretty normal for a Samsung to be booting. So let's find out if the customer's LCD is any good, or if I have to dig out my known good parts. This LCD is pretty busted up, so I won't be surprised if it doesn't work. And yeah, no image. So probably just parts. I'll swap this out. All right, let's see if this works any better. And there we go. So we'll just let it boot up, make sure touch is working, and then put this in the ready to recover pile. It's kind of amazing how one tiny little cap can take the whole system down. And it probably looks like oh, that's such a simple thing. That's totally not worth whatever they charge, but you pay for the fact that I know which cap to remove, not for the actual removal. And also, most of them are not this easy. Every once in a while, I get lucky and get one like this, though. And these things take longer than iPhones to boot up, for sure. Come on. Alright, let's see. Yep, slide to unlock. Alright, now we need to check and see if they gave us the right pattern, but don't need to do that while I'm recording. So, yeah, inject voltage, find shorted cap, kick off shorted cap, phone boots. Now I'll have plenty of time to work on the rabbit holes, now that I got one thing fixed. So, thanks for watching.